If you're upgrading your car's audio system, finding the right speaker connectors can be a hassle. These speaker connectors are designed specifically for select Mazda vehicles from 1990 to 2000, including the 323 and Protege models. They plug directly into the factory harness, making installation straightforward and mess-free. What makes these connectors stand out is their compatibility with Boston Acoustics systems, especially in Jeep models like the Grand Cherokee 2006. Users report that with a firm press, these connectors snap securely into place, ensuring a solid connection without any guesswork. One user even tested them on a 2014 Ram 1500s speakers. While a slight modification was necessary, widening the insides with a flathead screwdriver and removing a tab, the result was a snug fit that feels like it's built to last. That kind of adaptability shows these connectors aren't just a one-trick pony. These connectors are not the Metra 72-7902 model, so if you're looking for that specific part, keep in mind this is a different option. However, for those running Chrysler vehicles with Boston Acoustics sound systems, these connectors seem to be a reliable choice that delivers consistent performance. Why does this matter? Because a secure connection means better sound quality and less hassle during installation. Instead of struggling with mismatched connectors or complicated wiring, you get a plug-and-play experience that saves time and frustration. If you're focused on upgrading your front dash speakers or similar setups, these connectors are worth considering. They've earned top reviews from users who appreciate their durability and ease of use, especially in vehicles where Boston Acoustics systems are installed. So, if you want a dependable, easy-to-install speaker connector that works across multiple vehicle models, this option fits the bill. It's practical, proven, and designed with real users in mind. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car's audio without the extra hassle.